Hello, I am Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to create templates on a Fandom Wiki. So today I'm going to be making a season tiers table, rewards data table for the Nitro Wiki. So the purpose of a template is to save space in a page source and to keep content on pages consistent. So if you have something that you're going to have on multiple pages, you want it to look the same on each page. So to do that, you make a template and then just add the template to a page. So go to add new page, then put template : before. Oops, what did I do? So I don't classify templates until after I create them, because sometimes it doesn't register for some reason. Anyway, I have the content already prepared, and so I just copy and paste it. So once you have the basic content down, then you start to modify it to make it look how you want. And for most templates, you want to have inside these no include tags category templates. That way you know it's a template. And sometimes there'll be more specific, like nav box templates, info box templates. And for many templates, you'll have the documentation in a template included there. So then the documentation will display on the template page. And you want to make sure that all that is inside either no include tags, because then they won't be included when you add the template to another page. They'll only show on the template page itself. And so, I'm not actually going to add this to this particular template, but for many templates, you'll have the basic structure and formatting the same, but sometimes you'll have different text or a different image or something. So to enable that, in the spot where you're going to have that content, you do 3 of these brackets, a 1, and then a vertical line. Then finally close the brackets. Then you'll type. Then when you're using that template, you'll add 2 of these brackets, the template name. Let's go with the news heading. A template I made recently. Then you do vertical line inside that before the closing brackets, and then the text or other content you would see in there. So that's it. How you make templates. I hope this was helpful. I don't know everything about templates, so be sure to ask people in the Community Central and other fandom staff and staff of your wiki if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and hope you made your day a little bit better. Peace.